In the heart of the dense Timberwood forest, a small village called Elwood rested on the banks of Silver Lake. Among its residents was a young girl named Lila, known for her keen intellect rather than physical prowess. One chilly autumn evening, a cry for help pierced the tranquility of Elwood. A massive wolf, Ledby Starvation, had ventured into the village, terrifying the residents. Its fierce eyes glinted under the moonlight as it prowled closer to the clustered cottages. The villagers, paralyzed by fear, watched it hopelessly. Lila, hearing the commotion, peered out from her wooden cabin and saw the looming threat. Her heart pounded with fear, yet a surge of responsibility overcame her. Retrieving a handful of meat scraps left from dinner, she stepped cautiously outside. The villagers gasped as Lila walked deliberately toward the beast. Her lies trembled, but her resolve steadfast. It's just hungry, Lila whispered to herself, her voice steady despite the lump in her throat. As she neared the wolf, its ears flicked, and it bared its teeth. Lila, fighting every instinct to flee, knelt down, offering the meat on her outstretched palm. The wolf's menacing growl subsided into chaotic whimpers. After a tense moment, it cautiously approached and took the food from her hand, its rough tongue brushing against her skin. The wolf devoured the scraps and, with one last grateful glance at Lila, turned and vanished into the forest's shadows. The villagers erupted in cheers, marveling at Lila's bravery. From that night on, Lila was no longer just the intellectual of Elwood Bay. A symbol of courage. Her bravery had reminded everyone that sometimes, true strength isn't about overpowering, but understanding and acting despite overwhelming fear.